the gym, step on the scale, stare at the number. Say you dropping 10 pounds, preparing for summer. Y'all don't do it for the man, man never notice. You just do it for yourself, you the coldest. Intelligent too, ooh, you my sweetheart. I've always liked my women book and street smart. Long as they got a little class like half days. He got the confidence to overlook my past ways. Time heals all, heels hurt to walk in. Jaeger with the clutch that you carry your lip gloss in. Look, I really think nobody does it better, and I love the way that you put it together. Oh,
you
I
fancy,
do.
huh? Oh, you fancy, huh?
Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? You got your
nails done, hair done, everything big.
Got your
nails done, hair done, everything big.
Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? You got your
nails done, hair done, everything big. Nails done, hair done, everything big. Oh, you fancy, huh?
Hey girls, let me see your hands. Going out tonight, you can even bring a friend. If she bout it, let her know that everything big. Nails done, hair done, everything big. All my LA girls, let me see your hands. New Year's Eve, you can even bring a friend. If she bout it, let her know that everything big. Nails done, hair done, nails done, hair done. All my LA girls, with your nails done right. All my LA girls, with your hair done right. All my LA girls, all my LA girls, let them know that everything big. Nails done, hair done, nails done, hair done. Finally back in Toronto, it's better here. I just wanna be anywhere but everywhere. I'm being lazy at the crib, cushioning it up. I get enough exercise, just pushing my luck. Sitting back thinking, damn, where did they go? They used to be the ones to watch Ricky Lake show. And now I see them picking up the pieces. One too many starting over speeches, I guess. It's back to me like it always was. Me and the OVO set like it always was. A little money on the counter I left for my girl. With a note, I'm trying to see the rest of the world. It all looked so amazing when we were growing up. Used to sit back and say, I know I get a model one day. But all the money in the rap game slow as and all the models from the hood, Project Runway. Yeah, it's whatever.